Hi, my name is Ben Lambers and I'm the Vice President of Technology at Elliott. Elliott Tool Technologies has been manufacturing tube tools in the Dayton area for over 130 years. Our tools are used to manufacture, service, and repair heat exchangers, boilers, condensers, and chillers across a variety of industries such as oil and gas, power generation, chemical processing, and many more. Being a part of the DRMA has helped us stay connected to the manufacturing community we've been a part of for generations, while also opening doors to new relationships that we would not have found otherwise. We're extremely proud to work together with other members of the DRMA to protect our legacy of innovation and manufacturing heritage right here in Dayton, Ohio. So if you have an interest in joining us in this effort, please feel free to reach out to the DRMA for more information.